Welcome to our exciting adventure through Stockholm, Sweden's vibrant capital. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as we unveil the top 10 must-visit places in this enchanting city. From charming cobblestone streets to stunning waterfront views, Stockholm offers a tapestry of experiences that will leave you mesmerized. Join us as we dive into the heart of Gamla Stan, Stockholm's picturesque old town, where medieval alleys lead to hidden gems waiting to be explored. Then, we'll soar to new heights atop the iconic City Hall Tower for panoramic vistas that will take your breath away. But wait, there's more. Explore the cultural wonders of the Vasa Museum, where a 17th century warship lies in majestic splendor. Feel the pulse of modern Stockholm in the trendy neighborhood of Södermalm, bustling with hip cafes and vintage boutiques. And that's just the beginning. We'll whisk you away to the lush green oasis of Djurgården, home to the ABBA Museum and Skansen, the world's oldest open-air museum. Don't forget to indulge your senses at Östermalm's food market, a paradise for foodies craving local delicacies. So grab your passport and pack your sense of adventure as we uncover Stockholm's top 10 treasures, each waiting to enchant and delight you. Don't miss out on this epic journey. Hit play and let the magic of Stockholm unfold before your eyes. Just to know, we have created a website where you can find additional information about all our travel locations. Please find the URL in the description of the video. 10. Step into a fairy tale as you wander through Gamla Stan, Stockholm's enchanting old town. Picture-perfect cobblestone streets wind their way past colorful buildings, adorned with whimsical signs and charming cafes. Lose yourself in the maze of narrow medieval alleys, each corner revealing hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. From historic landmarks like the Royal Palace to quaint souvenir shops offering traditional Swedish crafts, there's something to delight every traveler. Don't forget to stop by Stortorget, the bustling main square, where lively street performers entertain passersby. With its timeless charm and bustling atmosphere, Gamla Stan is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a taste of Stockholm's rich history and vibrant culture. 9. Get ready to scale new heights of excitement at Stockholm City Hall. This iconic landmark isn't just another pretty facade. It's a ticket to jaw-dropping panoramic views that'll leave you feeling on top of the world. Climb aboard the elevator, or take the stairs if you're feeling extra adventurous, and ascend to the City Hall Tower, where a thrilling vista of Stockholm and its surrounding islands awaits. Snap Insta-worthy selfies against the backdrop of majestic spires and sparkling waters. Whether you're a history buff, architecture enthusiast, or just looking for an adrenaline-pumping experience, Stockholm City Hall promises an unforgettable adventure that'll elevate your visit to soaring heights. 8. Ahoy there, mateys! Prepare to be awestruck at the Vasa Museum in Stockholm, where a 17th century warship, the mighty Vasa, awaits your discovery. Step aboard this colossal vessel that once ruled the seas with its towering masts and intricate carvings. But beware, for the Vasa's maiden voyage was short-lived, and its story is as captivating as its grandeur. Marvel at the meticulous restoration efforts that have preserved this maritime marvel for centuries, and delve into the fascinating history of naval warfare in the 1600s. With interactive exhibits and immersive experiences, the Vasa Museum promises a swashbuckling adventure for history buffs and curious explorers alike. So set sail for a journey back in time and uncover the secrets of this legendary ship. 7. Get ready to soak up the eclectic vibes of Södermalm. This trendy district in Stockholm is like a treasure trove waiting to be discovered. Dive into its colorful streets adorned with street art and vintage shops, where every corner holds a surprise. Start your day with a caffeine fix at a cozy cafe. Then wander through bustling markets and quirky boutiques. Feel the energy of the local scene as you mingle with artists, musicians, and fashionistas. And when hunger strikes, indulge your taste buds with a diverse array of international cuisine, from hipster food trucks to gourmet restaurants. Södermalm is where Stockholm's cool cats come to play, so grab your camera and your sense of adventure, because you're in for a wild ride. 6. Get ready to escape to the green paradise of Djurgården. This enchanting island oasis in the heart of Stockholm is a must-visit destination bursting with fun and excitement. Djurgården is home to an array of attractions that promise an unforgettable experience for visitors of all ages. Embark on a journey through time at Skansen, the world's oldest open-air museum, where you can explore Swedish history and culture in a lively and interactive setting. Feel like a dancing queen at the ABBA Museum, where you can immerse yourself in the world of Sweden's iconic pop group. But that's not all. Djurgården also boasts beautiful parks, scenic walking trails, and charming cafes where you can relax and soak in the island's natural beauty. Whether you're a history buff, a music lover, or simply seeking a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, Djurgården has something for everyone. 5. Step into the gastronomic wonderland of Östermalm's food market, where culinary dreams come true. This vibrant market is a foodie's paradise, offering a delightful array of flavors and aromas to tantalize your taste buds. From freshly caught seafood to artisanal cheeses, decadent chocolates, and aromatic spices, there's something to satisfy every craving. Dive into a smorgasbord of Swedish delicacies like gravlax, cured salmon, and meatballs, or indulge in international treats from around the globe. Grab a seat at one of the bustling cafes and savor the vibrant atmosphere as you sample your way through this deliciously diverse market. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey like no other at Östermalm's food market. 4. Get ready to step back in time and be treated like royalty as you explore the royal palace, Kungliga Slottet. This majestic landmark in the heart of Stockholm is not just any old castle. It's the official residence of the Swedish monarch and boasts opulent interiors that will make you feel like you've stepped onto the set of a period drama. Marvel at the grandeur of the royal apartments, where every room tells a story of royal extravagance and centuries of history. Make sure not to overlook the opportunity to witness the changing of the guard ceremony, an event that adds a dash of grandeur and ceremonial flair to your visit. Get your cameras ready for some regal selfies. This is one palace you won't want to miss. 3. Picture this: a world where photography becomes a vivid tale at Fotografiska, Stockholm's coolest visual playground. Get ready to dive into a kaleidoscope of images that spark your imagination and emotions. Perched on the waterfront, this museum is not just a snapshot stop. It's a vibrant hub of creativity and expression. Marvel at mind-bending exhibits, jaw-dropping compositions, and perhaps the occasional selfie-worthy installation. Whether you're a shutterbug or just appreciate the art of the lens, Fotografiska invites you to step into a realm where every frame tells a captivating story. So, get your camera ready, smiles on. Because at Fotografiska, every click brings joy, laughter, and a splash of photographic magic. 2. Hop aboard a boat and let the adventure begin as you set sail to explore the Stockholm Archipelago. Picture this: 30,000 islands scattered like jewels across the Baltic Sea. Cruise through these emerald waters, each island with its unique charm. Some adorned with colorful cottages, others wrapped in lush greenery. Feel the cool breeze as you navigate through this archipelagic wonder, discovering hidden coves and idyllic fishing villages along the way. Marvel at the tranquility and natural beauty that surrounds you, making it a nautical escapade you won't soon forget. So, grab your sailor hat, or not, and let's embark on a whimsical voyage through the mesmerizing Stockholm Archipelago. 1. Embark on a royal adventure aboard the Royal Djurgården Canal tour. Set sail on a whimsical journey through Stockholm's picturesque canals, where every turn unveils a new treasure. Glide past iconic landmarks like the Royal Palace and the enchanting Vasa Museum, all while soaking up the scenic beauty of Djurgården Island. As you cruise along, let the lively commentary entertain you with fascinating tales of Swedish royalty and local legends. Feel like royalty yourself as you bask in the charm of this unique sightseeing experience. With stunning views and a touch of royal flair, the Royal Djurgården Canal tour promises to be a highlight of your Stockholm escapade. I hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe to our channel.